I think we saved it. What do you think?
I do.
Well,
That's a little extra character there. It looks like just some extra grain.
you won't even see it once it's stained.
Yeah, it looks like just like a little bit extra grain there.
Mm-hmm. Once that's stained, that'll completely disappear.
So, should we drill through?
We should.
Yeah, the new hole is the new hole.
Yeah, you want me to do that for you?
Yeah, I think you would.
I thought you might say that. I don't blame you. Put this file right here.
I've done this with grandma.
That's going to be part of your stock one day, one fine day. Okay, now we need to put your barrel back in your wood. Let's put barrel pins here and here too. There's the flex. Bigger chips are actually easier to put in, by the way. So if you're going to break this again, take a big wallop and chunk out of it.
So you cut your patch and then traced it on the hole.
Yep.
And now you're fitting the hole to the patch and not the other way around.
Right. I might do it the other way around if we had a bigger patch.
Okay.
If that's so hard to hang on to, it's just easier to remove some wood here. Mm-hmm. Thanks, ran out of hands. Okay, I got it now. Give that about a half hour and we'll see what it looks like. Polish it out bright, hit it with some foam bluey, and then take some Scotch Brite or steel wool and buff it out, and you'll get this that's called a French gray. You can do that on your barrel. That's what I'm everything else on it. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, some more depth.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little redder. It has a very faint red tint to it compared to that one out there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right.
That yellow and that red kind of goes together.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd put the yellow trans tint on first.
Okay.
And then go with, let that dry,
Right.
iron nitrate, and follow up with that Lancaster stain.
Cool.
Yeah.
What I would do here, what I do in my shop,
That's such a great idea.
that way we don't accidentally spill stain all over.
All right.
It's a nice piece of wood.
Apply the iron nitrate just like you did the yellow.
This is going to have to be kind of, what do you call it? Very deliberate. you know, finish a complete region.
And then this is going to react with heat as well.
Mm-hmm. And what it does, apparently, if I understand it right, is the end grain, which is all the figure on maple, right, really absorbs the iron and makes it much more black.
What happens here is if we're starting to see any greenish, it means we didn't get it. Mike can help you out with that too. He's done a lot of this. Any tips here, Mike? You not done anything right?
Smells right. Smell the acid.
Nitric, when you scrub that stuff off, it burns your nose.
It lights your sinuses right up.
What?
All right, now let's take the steel wool, whisker it again.
Okay.
And the next move after this is going to be kind of crucial. The color. Get the dish of your cheek piece, the cupped out part in your cheek piece. Yeah,
What do you
the dished out part where your
Dished out part.
jaw lays, just above that,
Oh, this part here.
and your comb. Okay.
So why is that looking more yellow now?
A lot of that is that whiskering that he's taken off. It's residue.
Okay.
There's kind of a fine line between burnt and done.
That's what Jackie says about my barbecue.
It sounds funny, but it's true. You like that color or you want some more color?
Oh boy. That's a hard decision. That looks pretty good, doesn't it?
It looks pretty good.
That looks pretty good.
Sure does.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, if you like it, we're going to let it dry.
And oil.
And we're going first coat of,
It's even got a little red tinge.
yeah, it's, well, what it's got is it's got those nice yellow undertones. That's why we went to the trouble of putting that yellow on there. Yeah, I like it. Showtime will be here just in a few minutes. Showtime, baby.
I need it on.
You like that?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
Pretty dramatic right up there through the wrist.
After how many coats of this?
Well,
One a day for, what was it, one a day for a week?
no,
Once a week for a month?
no. Believe it or not, that stuff will dry pretty quick.
Oh, wow. Instant 200 years.
Instant 200 year. Isn't that a nice color? Isn't that just kind of elegant and pretty? No,
Looks like, yeah, looks like some of the Bombay Company. Remember that?
there you go. What do you think?
That's beautiful.
Congratulations. Great job. I'm serious.
All right.
And you can scrub off more or less of this and kind of leave it black in there. And I've even gone with Special K on there. Krylon black paint. Spray it on and let it get tacky and then steel wool it off.
Really?
Or you can do it honest and get your hands on it and dirty your hands and funky it up nasty with that. But that's pretty.
Okay.
Pull your clean brass out and lay up next to it and see the difference. Pretty cool, huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Do it.
Now you know how to do this,
I do.
and it's your pony now.
Keeps your file rolling over the top. Keeps you from filing flats that way. And you just clean that up with some shoe shine with some memory cloth strip. And do either end, both ends, and you want to watch me do another one, or you want to do it?
I'll try that.
Go for it. Let's see how this goes. PRICE. Just checking.
You can either exit now or get ready to go proceed the next step on your gun stop.
PRICE.
Sweet, yeah, you got it right.
All right. Okay, let's do this.
What kind of finish is this?
This is Track of the Wolf's tried and true brown.
Just stab it in and go that right.
Slow,
Oh yeah.
Not as fast as your antique and brass.
then.
No, this is days.
Oh,
Typically, we'll put a coat on in the morning and in the afternoon. Here, we're gonna put on a coat right now. We're gonna take it outside and let it work. Then we're gonna put another coat on before we quit. And then in the morning, we'll come back and get your barrel, put another coat on. We need to take this to the humidest place we've got. Now, we don't want to hold the barrel in our hands. And then we'll throw the heat.
Get them.
I've been a shooter all my life, so yeah.
Oh, you're good. I'm filming.
My goodness, yeah. It's full fair. That's all it was. What is it?